go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
Hey, show me your pretty nails. Ooh.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh!
Why the fuck were you up? No. Why were you up at 5 o'clock? Say hi. Yeah.
You paused it, babe. There you go.
Can you take your tail out?
Turn it on.
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
跟个傻逼似的。
I love you.
We're gonna be gentle. Show me. Yeah, show me gentle. Good job, baby.
You don't clean yourself right.
You need this piece here.
Kiss another cat. I'm sorry.